or error. For paused, the blinking will be steady. For error, the blinking rhythm will display two different counts. For example, 3 blinks, pause, 2 blinks, pause. Repeat. See the owner's manual or the manufacturer's website for troubleshooting help. If the door is open, the unit will pause. Once the door is closed, press start to resume the cycle. Drying. Clean, complete. Sanitized. Illuminates when cycles that include sanitization are completed.